This is a follow-up video from the last one. I accidentally stopped the video. So I'm 6'1" and I'm able to put my feet all the way out and down at the bottom of the bed. This is a full XL bed in here, which sleeps 2 people. What's going on here? Just doing a little glamping. I mentioned the solar power system. I was able to make a system in here that I'm going to discuss with you in a couple of videos. A solar powered system with a 30,000 mAh battery, which is all USB powered, with the solar panel, the 100-watt solar panel, which also has power delivery and fast charging, quick charging, 3.0. So I figured I didn't really need a Jackery. They seem to be pretty expensive. So I made my entire power system from solar panel, 100-watt solar panel, and some quick charge devices, the 30,000 mAh. It's kind of like a cell phone charger, but bigger. And it also has quick charge and power delivery at 45 watts. So that's going to charge up real quick. Like I said, the solar panel has power delivery. It might be at 60 watts or 45 watts. So the solar panel will be able to charge my 30,000 mAh USB power bank, which also has quick charge and power delivery, which will be able to charge the tablet and my phone, which also has quick charge and power delivery. I just didn't want to spend a ton of money on like a Jackery system when we could just make it kind of out of a USB only system from like a cell phone power bank, like a huge cell phone power bank, like I say, 30,000 mAh. That's what the other side looks like. I'm just trying to give you guys an idea here. There we go. This does sleep 2. And my head is right here where the sunroof is. We can close that. Or if I don't want the sun, I can always do one of those numbers. Blocks out all the sun. But I wanted some air ventilation shaft in here. I'm a large guy, 300 pounds and 6'1". This Zenas Casey 18-inch bed is a full bed. The mattress is a full XL mattress. I've got plenty of room to move around in here. And like I say, guys, I am a large person and heavy. I installed a double-din stereo in here. I don't know. A couple months ago.
How dare they stop?
And a little alarm system
like children.
that turns on when I lock the car. Looks like I'm watching the Zack Snyder cut here, which is awesome, by the way.
I'll leave after we've spoken.
Normally I wouldn't have the car on when I'm camping. I can just use my 30,000 mAh power bank, so I won't need to use the battery of the car at all, ever. while I'm camping because I've got the solar panel. Alright guys, I'm going to figure out how to get out of this thing. Please watch my part 1, and sorry about accidentally cutting that video off there.
Also known as Protector of the Oceans.
Please watch part 1 because that shows me getting in here. I wanted this to be all one video, but unfortunately I accidentally stopped it.
Let me get this straight.
It's a really comfortable setup right here. Neighbors probably think I'm crazy
Worked for 20 years in
because they're driving by and they see shoes and stuff back here. Man, I am 6'1", 300 pounds, and look how much room I have in here. This definitely sleeps 3 people. You could probably, my bad, it definitely sleeps 2 people. You might be able to stuff a 3rd person in here if you're not a large guy like I am.
Ever hear of Superman? He died fighting next to me.
You could probably stick in here 2 people and
We were stronger together.
probably 2 dogs.
You owe it to him.
Got a lot of room because of the 18-inch bed. I explained yesterday how the bed goes down, so I parked on an incline today. And so I'm essentially laying flat right here. Even though the bed is at a decline, my car is at an incline. So this is nice and flat. This is how I'm gonna sleep. I set up a Tasker application profile on my tablet to power off if the tablet is not in use for 2 hours. I'll go ahead and post a video of that too because I'm always trying to make everything more efficient. I don't use my tablet that much. It doesn't need to be on all the time. If I put it down and accidentally forget to turn it off, it just shuts itself off after 2 hours. So that is cool. The sunroof is super nice here at the front of the car. I've still got access to all the controls. Just roll down the window. Whew. It's sunny today, so that is really nice to have the window open. I've got the window screens. I just didn't put them on. Oh, what is going on here with this song? Let's, yeah, let's get past that. Yeah, the Amazonians. Amazons. Heck yeah. So, this is how I'm gonna sleep. I'm not gonna have my stereo on. This is just for illustration purposes. I'm gonna sleep just using the stereo power, unless I wanna hook the Bluetooth tablet up to one of my Bluetooth devices that I use for music, and maybe put the Bluetooth device in one of the cup holders. So, I like to fall asleep to shows. I'll probably watch some scary movie or something when I'm out there camping. I like to get the stuff scared out of me. Maybe wrong turn. And so I really am amazed here. I'm actually surprised by myself that there's so much room in here. Right now I'm all the way up against the windows. But just for illustration purposes here. Oh. Now I've laid flat. There's the sunroof again. Nice airflow. I can reach all the controls here. If I want this window down, or if I want to close the sunroof. Always just turn the car off, unlock it to get out, unlock the trunk, or lock the car for safety when I'm out there camping so nobody breaks in. The alarm is activated. I forgot where the back, there it is. No, the back button, and it's down here somewhere. No, here it is. Whoops, I can't unlock the car without undoing the alarm. I can unlock it. I can open this. There's the back thing. I have my key fob, so I don't need to, but I can access it here if I'd like to. Keys. Let's see here. I have Tasker doing all sorts of stuff on my phone automatically, and on my tablet automatically. So this is how I would watch TV in the car, probably with the tablet sound, but I like sound. I would actually probably just hook up my little speaker, you know, it's a cylinder shaped speaker. You know, you pick up when you're camping and you want a lot more sound out of your cell phone. Cool. I am gonna try and figure out some way out of here. Here's my pillow, nice and comfortable. The closing string. So I'm gonna let you guys go. As always, guys, watch my first video that showed me climbing in here. Watch this video, which you are. And I will report back once I figure out some cool way to get out of here. Cool, guys. Thanks again.